Here is a very simple construction of a golden rectangle. First of all, we draw a square of unit side. By any method that we like, we find the midpoints of two opposite sides and we extend those sides at least 3/4 of a unit. We then join the midpoints of each side to the opposite top vertex and draw an arc with that as radius. It's obviously symmetrical. Then, when we know where the line joins the two extended sides, we simply draw a line through those 2 points. Then what we've got left is a golden rectangle. It's as simple as that. This is 1, and this up here is what's usually called phi, 1.618 or if you like, and this is how the construction works, √5 plus 1 divided by 2. Because if you look carefully, this length is a half and this length is √5 over 2 because of the length of this diagonal by Pythagoras.